Welcome to Gateway tutorial. In this tutorial, we will talk about routing. So last time we talked about API, cluster, server, and did a very basic configuration and test. So if you remember, we configured a host API, and the traffic is redirected to cluster host service, which consists of 3 servers. And now, if we want 60% of that traffic to go to a new cluster, let's say cluster host backup, which consists of 3 new servers, then we can do that by setting up a routing rule. That is something like this. So this is so you name it first. We name it host routing, and we apply this routing rule to this cluster host backup, and so this host routing rule applies to host API, and 60% of the traffic will go to cluster host backup. So if you have not opened up these 3 servers, you can do it now. So I think it is here. So the first server, the second server, the third server, and so let's see. So the first cluster, the original cluster, responded. Again, the first cluster, the second cluster, the first cluster, the second cluster, the second cluster, the second cluster, the second cluster. So if you click this enough times, you will find that approximately 60% of the traffic will be handled by cluster host backup, which is the second cluster. So the routing rule is into effect. That would be all. Bye.